Hello guys, thank you for watching Flourish by Flora, and if you're new here, please do subscribe and please click the like and notification bell as well so you'll be updated for all new videos. Thank you. Okay guys, in today's video I'm going to do another unboxing. So the unboxing for today is this. This is the unboxing for today. It's Amazon. It's from Amazon. So let's open. Yes, like that. And oh wow, amazing. So this is mobile. It's TCL. So what's that?
It's a cheap
TCL.
Chinese brand. They make TVs as well.
Oh really? So that's on the side. There. Down. And there's the thing here inside. So I like this thing. It says inspire greatness. That's very cool. Okay, and this is like also this is a protective case.
Yeah, I bought that as well.
Oh.
To go with it.
Yeah. Okay. So.
Pay for that separate.
Okay. So let's open this. So security. Okay, so let's open. Oh, so this is it needs cutting.
Yeah, careful not to damage it, because if there's any fault, we'll have to send it back.
So there. So that is the remote. Oh, does it need a remote?
Maybe the battery.
Oh. So that is the battery.
That's good.
That's
The battery is separate. With all the expensive brands now, you can't take the battery out.
Really?
If you want to change the battery.
Yeah, so this is the thing. So that's it. So it says TCL in there as well. There. So this is for the back, I suppose.
Yeah. The camera in the back. So.
And this is the
Charging lead.
charging lead.
USB.
So, I thought earlier it's a remote because it's huge. See, it's huge. So let's open this. Also, there's a thing in there. I don't know if you need to put that in. So done. What's this? Also, so this is the back.
Yeah. So
Why is it open?
Yeah, that's how they normally send them.
Oh,
Put
really?
the battery in and then close it up.
Oh, are
You
you
have to
sure?
put the battery in, you have to put SIM card in, memory card in.
Are you sure it's not used?
I hope not.
And this is the thing, you have to peel this off.
Yeah. I think you put the thing first.
Yeah, so,
Battery.
okay. So you want to do it?
Yeah, put the battery in. I don't know if there's any charge in it.
So,
We have to take that out later and then try it with a SIM card. So
okay, so.
you know which way. To see where the pins are.
Yeah. Because this is the thing.
Yeah.
And there is the thing in there. So
Yeah,
just there.
that's it.
Is it like that? There. Click.
Then click the back on.
And then this. Click.
Click it to
Click.
click.
Click. Click. Click. Yeah. There. There. So it's all done. So look at the back. It's nice now. It's not naked anymore. And then
So now you can peel the thing.
peel
And
this.
then let's try and switch it on if you can
So it's a
figure out where the on switch is.
okay.
But don't damage it
This.
because it's sort of there's anything
There.
you have to put it back.
Okay.
If there's a single switch, it will be that one.
Single switch.
Is
There
it
is
single
no
or is
single
it two-sided?
switch. It's two. It's only two. It's only
And that's
two.
it, no other switch.
No, nothing in here. Nothing. Nothing in
Let me
there.
see the switch. So it'll be the bottom one.
The bottom.
Yeah, the top one will be the volume, I presume.
Okay.
Keep your finger on it, that's it.
Yeah, that's it. Android. Go edition.
Does it say what number?
No, powered by Android. That's all.
I think the latest Android is 14.
Does it text? Oh. So now it's setting. It says hello. And then I press English.
You want to set it? Then we can do that later. Maybe just switch it off.
Oh, okay. So just switch it off.
Yeah.
Okay.
Keep your finger on it again for a few seconds.
Okay, power off. So that's how it's to switch off. And now it's shutting down. So the sound is a bit low, isn't it?
Yeah, maybe the volume is not all the way
Oh,
up.
maybe you can do it later. So
I hope.
yeah. And what's that again? Oh, that's the case.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's open the case. Let's see. Oh, wow.
So that is the correct. The holes are in the correct place for the volume and on off switch on the camera.
Yeah. Oh, so there's something in there. So there's a wipes. That's nice. So dust absorber. Oh dear, that's nice. So what's this? It's just something.
For sticking on the screen.
Oh,
Stop it from getting scratched or damaged.
okay. So that is just like that. So there's a big holes in there.
Yeah. So you just click the phone in.
So this, just have to click it in.
Click it, click.
Click, 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 click. Click, click, click.
Click it, click.
Click, 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 click. Oh, it's wrong size.
Oh.
It's wrong size. It's too. Look.
So I have to send that back.
Oh, guys, look at this. This is the wrong size, and just look at the top bit. There is a gap on the top.
Yeah, I have to send that back. So.
Yeah. So, and at the back is it didn't align.
Yeah.
The camera. Oh dear, so this is the wrong case, guys. But it looks nice.
Yeah.
Maybe it fits on my other mobile.
No.
No. Oh
Must be
dear.
for a different TCL model.
So let's put it back. And dot. And that's it. There. Put it back.
Yeah. Does it say the model number on the box? We have to peel off that thing again. Peel that thing off slowly. carefully.
Which one? This.
But you stuck on there from the mobile. And put it back on the mobile.
I put it back here.
Might as well. Can't put it back on that box because we need to send the box back. Is there a number on that? TCL
501. TCL 501.
on this.
X 0021 X1 SSJ. So it's not the right thing.
Have to send this back.
So you have to send it back. But the mobile is not.
No. Well, I hope they don't want the mobile back.
Yeah. So
But we have to try the mobile first, make sure that works alright, otherwise we have to send that back as well.
okay. So we have
That
to.
later.
Alright guys, so this is all for unboxing for today. And I put back the thing here on the yeah, alright. Okay guys, so this is the unboxing for today. This mobile TCL 501.
Yes, it was only about £40.
Really? Oh, so that's cheap.
Yeah.
Alright, okay, so we need to charge it first guys, and then do things, and then
Put a SIM
set
card
it
in
up.
it.
Yeah. Alright, okay. So this is the unboxing for today, and thank you so much for watching. Love, love, love.